Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 3.2 question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Find the mode and median of these data. Are they same? Let us find. Arranging Arranging the given data in ascending order, we get arranging 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 the given data arranging the given data or scores arranging the given scores in ascending order ascending order we get 5, 5, then 9, then 10, 10, 12, 15, then 16, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 23, 25, 25. Now we have to find mode. We know that we have to find the mode, and we know that mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently, right? That mode is the value mode is the value mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently, occurs which occurs most frequently most frequently most frequently. Here you see that the number 20 occurs 4 times. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. The frequency of 20 is 4, right? Therefore, here 20 occurs 20 occurs maximum number of times occurs maximum number of times or you can say that 20 has the maximum frequency, right? Therefore we can say mode of the score mode of the given score of the given score, mode of the given score is 20, right? This is the mode, right? Now find the median, right? We know that the median, the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Now we'll find the median. We know that median median means the value the value of the middlemost the value of the middlemost observation observation value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. You'll find the median, right? Now here n equal to how many you count here? Here it is 15 students is there, right? So here n is equal to 5, 15. Here n is equal to 15, which is an odd number, which is odd, right? Therefore, here n means here n is number of students. Here n is the number of students, number of students, n is the number of students, right? Now median is equal to, we know that median, if it is an odd, then median is equal to value of half into n plus 1th observation that will equal to n into n is 15, that is 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1, and that comes to 1 by 2 into 16 is equal to 2 8 is 16, that is equal to 8th, right? That means it's 8th observation, right? If we count here, then the value of 8th term is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Here you count from here, it is in arranging in ascending order, that is 1. Here you count this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? That is 20. Here you see that is 20, right? Therefore eighth term, and the value of eighth term is here value of eighth term is equal to 20, right? Therefore the median is 20, hence median is 20, hence median is also 20. Here you see median is 20 and the mode is also 20. Here you see the mode is also 20, right? The question, are they same? The answer is yes, both the values are same. Yes, yes, both the values are same. Both the values, both the values are same. Both the values are same. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.